In this video, we present the off-label use of VBX stent graft for pulmonary artery compression. Our patient is a 47-year-old male with a history of mediastinal paraganglioma, partially debugged in 2005. He was lost to follow-up and re-presented in 2024 with a large mediastinal recurrence, encasing mediastinal structures and compressing the right pulmonary artery to about 5 mm in diameter. The mass was unresectable and he presented with shortness of breath. Given progressive narrowing, we planned a balloon-expandable VBX stent graft to restore luminal caliber. This represents an off-label but rational approach in the absence of surgical options. Under general anesthesia, the patient was prepped and draped. Ultrasound-guided venous access was obtained in the right common femoral vein. A micropuncture set was exchanged for a 12 French Aptus sheath. Using a Benson wire and a Pictet catheter, the right pulmonary trunk was selected. Angiography confirmed severe narrowing of the right pulmonary artery. At this point, we prepared a balloon-expandable VBX stent sized 11 by 39 mm, anticipating expansion with a 14 mm balloon for full wall apposition. The VBX stent graft was advanced and carefully positioned with its proximal end at the pulmonary artery origin. Deployment was performed under roadmap guidance. Following release, a 14 mm balloon was inflated to ensure full stent expansion and coaptation with the arterial wall. The stent expanded successfully with no recoil or migration. Completion angiography demonstrated excellent flow into the right pulmonary artery with significantly increased diameter. Estimated blood loss was minimal. The patient was extubated uneventfully and transferred to the PACU in stable condition. He was discharged home the following day. This intervention provided immediate restoration of the pulmonary artery flow and relieved the critical compression caused by his mediastinal tumor. In summary, pulmonary artery stenting for tumor compression is rare but can be performed safely with balloon-expandable endografts. In selected cases, this minimally invasive approach offers durable relief where surgery is not feasible.